In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank or credit card in QuickBooks Online. Connecting your bank or credit card is one of the most important things you can do in QuickBooks Online because it lets your transactions flow in automatically. That means less manual data entry, fewer mistakes, and a much clearer picture of your business finances. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to start that connection directly from your chart of accounts, and I'll share tips along the way so the process feels straightforward and under control. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. From here, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear at the top right of your screen. Click on that, and in the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your company's accounts live, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other categories you use to track money. Once the Chart of Accounts page opens, take a moment to find the specific bank or credit card account you want to connect. You might see several accounts listed, so check both the name and the detail type columns to make sure you're picking the right one. If you're not sure, think about how you want your statements to line up with what you see here. Matching the account names to your actual bank or card names can help keep everything clear going forward. When you've located the correct account, look over to the Action column on the far right. You'll see a drop-down arrow or small menu button. Click that, and from the list of options that appears, select Connect Bank. This tells QuickBooks that you want to connect this specific account to an online banking feed. After you click Connect Bank, QuickBooks will walk you through a series of on-screen instructions. These steps can vary slightly depending on your bank or card provider, but generally you'll choose your financial institution from a list, sign in securely to your online banking, and then confirm which accounts you want to link. Take your time here. Double-check that the account you select in your bank matches the one in your chart of accounts. You'll usually be asked how far back you want QuickBooks to bring in transactions, so pick a date range that makes sense for your bookkeeping. Once you complete those on-screen prompts, QuickBooks will start importing your recent transactions into the Banking or Transactions page, ready for you to review and categorize. And that's all there is to connecting a bank or credit card in QuickBooks Online from your chart of accounts.